Hey, curl friends, baby, I am back and I brought a friend. Listen, I ain't do a hair detox in so long on myself. My hair really needs this. My hair needs to be conditioned. It's dry. I want to get some length. I want to reduce this frizz. So let's do a hair detox. Matter of fact, when was the last time you did a hair detox? Have you ever done a hair detox? Do you even know what a hair detox is? Yeah, this gonna be a good video for you to watch. Come on, let's sit down and talk. But first, go ahead and pull out your main magic detox that you order from coconuts.com because you stay ready so you ain't gotta get ready. It comes with a spatula. It also comes with a brush for easier application. Now, this detox comes with enough to do 2 to 4 applications depending on how long your hair is. For me, I usually use about nearly half a bottle, and then I save the rest for another application. So I'm just going to use a bowl, and I'm going to create a center in the middle of the mixture that I put in the bowl. And now I'm going to add water. So I'm gonna get this to a pancake batter like consistency. So yeah, I'm gonna keep adding my water. But I want to tell y'all about clays because that's what a detox is. When you use a natural detox, you're basically using a natural clay. Now, what's a clay? Well, you're creating a clay, but it comes in the form of a powdered rocks and stones. Yeah, you heard me. You basically got rocks in your head because this is just grated down, finely grated down rocks and stones from the earth. Listen now, this mixture I'm using is a powerhouse. It's made with 5 different potent and powerful rocks and stones. I'm talking about straight from the volcano, straight from the motherland, straight from all them lands. I got the best rocks. And then I add some intensive hot oil treatment just to make sure that this mixture has a smoother application on my hair strands. It has some potent and powerful herbs and essential oils as well. Now, this right here, when you mix this together, your hair is going to thank you and you're going to feel a big difference. Your hair is going to be so soft. I'm not gonna lie, 2024, I was a busy girl. So it was really hard for me to stay up on my hair routine as much as I would like. So this right here is going to get it together. It's like hitting the restart button. And now that I'm on a different hair journey that I'm gonna talk to y'all about later, this is just what my hair needed, especially at the top of the year. You definitely want to take advantage of doing a detox clay, I would say with every season, so about 4 times a year. But you can do this as much as once a month. Some people even do it more. So this is the number one reason why you should be a rockhead and put rocks in your hair. It's because you need the minerals. And I know you're thinking, what the heck is a mineral? A mineral is a naturally occurring substance with distinctive chemical and physical property, composition, and atomic structure. Baby, it means something, okay? A mineral contains something that's something. You feel me? And rocks are generally made up of 2 or more minerals mixed up through geological processes. Minerals are solid substances with a fairly well-defined chemical composition and a specific crystal structure. Now, what's a crystal? A solid form of substance or mixture that has a regularly repeating internal arrangement of its atoms and often external plane faces. Boy, you see how these scientists just be making up stuff because they don't even really know how to comprehend it in human form and really tell you what it is. That's why it's important to put it on your hair, because if scientists can't figure it out, but they can obviously see it's a physical substance, baby, it's something that you need to be putting in your hair today. So after about 30 minutes to an hour, I'm ready to wash out these minerals and these crystals out of my hair. Okay, guys, so the sun is setting. I just rinsed out all of it, that detox clay. Now, the shrinkage is real. Like, why is my hair shrunken like this? This is wild. The shrinkage, but I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Like, look at my curls. You get to see pieces of it. I really want to take advantage of this treatment more often so I can get rid of my frizz over time. I'm using the Deep Nourishing oil. I love this oil. It's very lightweight but very nourishing. It seeps into your hair. It's such a beautiful oil. And I'm going to be using the N Repair Butter because I need something very potent right now. This right here is going to get my hair together. Not gonna lie, my hair is pretty easy to part because the Detox did its thing. My hair in these 4 sections right here. Now I'm gonna take the deep nourishing oil right here, and I'm just gonna slather it. You want to make sure you coat your strands because the Detox, it deep cleaned everything out of your hair. That's why your hair is so soft, it's so lightweight, and it's so shrunken because it is just empty. So you want to make sure that you put a very potent, beautiful but light oil on top of your strands. And then I went in with the end repair butter right on my ends just to give it a real good punch of minerals and amino acids. And now I'm going to use the African threading technique to stretch my hair without heat. Oh, and by the way, I don't use shampoo when I'm doing the Detox on myself. I just rinse it out. So I just woke up, got ready because we are about to head out. We are about to go somewhere fun. It's a fun day. And it hasn't been long enough for my hair to dry. I know that for a fact. But let's just hope it did. But I ain't got no option. I got to go. So you see I had on this bonnet. And then I had on a silk scarf. It kind of like shifted a little bit. Not only do I have to take this down, I have to do a natural hairstyle. Because I'm trying to be more creative with my hair. But child, I don't even know what I'm going to do. So this is the first one done. Oh, this cute. Oh, this nice. I don't even want to mess with this. So this is the string, how it came out. The string is all spiraled up. But this, remember, I didn't plait or twist it. This is just the form of it. I should just leave my hair like this. Like, I like this. I like this. So this is the hair. I feel like it did a good stretch. Do you remember how my hair was shrunken yesterday? If you don't remember, let me put a picture right here. Okay? Yeah. All right, let me develop a style and come back, or let me get it together. The old me would have just put a wig on and keep it moving and keep my African threading so it can dry more and stretch longer. But yeah, I'm trying to do something different. I think it looks cute. Because I've been doing weave and wigs so long and using it as a crutch when it came to protective styling, I'm really clueless when it comes to styling my natural hair in cute style. So bear with me. Naturalista with the hair, looking cute, feeling lightweight. The thing about having your real hair out, like your scalp feels so at ease. And you don't have that extra weight of weave weighing you down. Oh, it's a flamingo. Oh, they're so gorgeous. Today, me and my family are at Zoo Miami, and when I tell you, this is the type of vibe that my soul has been searching for the last couple of months. Sometimes you just need a refresher, and a walk in the park ain't gonna do it all the time. You know, just going to the gym ain't gonna really release it. Sometimes you really need to just be immersed in nature to really see what the creator made. So you can create the correlation that, okay, if the creator made these elephants and these trees and the sky and the everything, you have to understand that the same creator made your hair and its curl pattern and its texture, and you have to honor that and love that. And I know in a world that we are in today, it's really hard to just fully love yourself, love your skin color, love your hair texture, love your height, love your weight, but you just have to love it. And going to places like the zoo, now I know the zoo gets a bad rep, but there's nothing like being amongst God's creatures. And when I tell you that this is a true reality check to make you realize what's really important in life, like health, your family, self-love. The type of peace and tranquility that you get from places like this is unmatched. I needed to be on this frequency today, and it's such a coincidence that I decided to go to the zoo a day after I did a hair detox, because sometimes you need a restart. You need to recharge your cells, and this is the best way. Doing a hair detox is going to help unclog whatever's trapped in your cuticles. You may think, oh, okay, I got away from this environment, I got away from this person, this job, this stress, but the aura of all of that negativity can still be trapped in your hair. Your hair is very spiritual, and you really need to get that thing out of your hair that could be trapped, because it's your mind. So when I did this detox, and then to go to a place like this and just breathe the same air as the trees and the animals, it was just something that my soul needed. And I am so appreciative that I was able to have this experience. If you are interested in taking up your natural hair journey to the next level, make sure you head to coconuts.com, grab you a hair detox so you can start fresh. It's time to give your hair permission to make you happy, to make you more beautiful, to make you more lucky. And the best way to start is to switch to natural products. Why wouldn't you want to use natural products on your skin, on your hair, especially knowing that, let's be real, the natural products came from the same hand that made these beautiful giraffes. So yeah, get with it and make the switch. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, become my curl friend, and I'll see you in the next video.